Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a complete Node.js Express tutorial for building a Instagram and a Twitter profile post downloader kind of an application which directly runs in the browser. So you can see we are running this application on localhost. So this actually allows you to download the Instagram and Twitter profile post using the URL. So we are running it on localhost. It's entirely built inside Node.js Express. This is actually the full directory structure. I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code, and it's fully customizable. So we are running this application on localhost, as you can just see right here. The interface looks quite simple. We have a simple input field. So here, whatever thing that you want to, you first of all copy the link address, simply paste it. So after you paste it, it will actually download the Instagram post, and you basically see a download button, and once you click the download it will actually fetch that post and downloads it in the browser. Same for videos as well. So again, you copy link address, simply paste it, and Instagram reels, photographs, videos, everything. So you will see it has fetched that video. So you can actually play the video and click the download button to save it. Same for Twitter as well. You simply copy video address, simply plug this and click on this button. After that, it will actually fetch that video, directly display it. So it's actually in 2026. This is a fully fledged Node.js Express project. If you are interested in this, I've given the link in the description. It's fully customizable. You can even add some more feature on top of this as well. So this will save you a lot of time. It's perfectly working right here, as you can just see here. We can click the download button. So, so once you download, you will see the Twitter video is automatically downloaded. So if you're interested in this source code, source code project in Node.js Express, the link is given in the description. It's a single page application. It directly runs in the browser. It is very easy for you to deploy this application on any sort of hosting plan. So as you can see, we are using Express. After the payment, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. It's fully customizable. You will see this is the overall project.